And we should be on. We'll start with the safety. 6 empty chambers. So we have a gun that I don't think I give enough love to. There's a hell of a glare in here. But this is a Ruger GP100. It is blued, obviously. Sometimes the light makes it seem otherwise. Ruger GP100. Let me turn off the big light and see if it's any better. I don't know. For the purpose of the video, we'll go with this. So we have a Ruger GP100. I hate this. Aside from that, this gun really is an elegant revolver as much as it is a beefy piece of machinery. 357 Magnum, white outline. I currently have a black ramp, which I'm going to change, maybe even on the video. So, 6-shot revolver. I believe they're also now available in 7-shot. So I have some upgraded springs in this. I don't want to just go ahead and say they're Wolf springs, but they probably are Wolf springs. I think if I recall when I got them, yeah, extra power spring, light power spring, who knows what. I can't really comment on that, and I apologize. But these can be tuned. I'm a big Smith & Wesson fan if you watch my videos, but I'm going to tell you, this revolver it's up there with them. It's just as accurate and just as refined, in my opinion. That was light. That was light. And the double action. Consistent and smooth. This gun is a great 357 6-inch blued revolver, and something it actually beats Smith & Wesson on. And I hate to do this, but we're gonna do this. You know what? Let's go like this. Something it clearly beats Smith & Wesson on is the ability to change front sights. All you need is a punch, push that in, lift this out. I'm not gonna do it on the video because I'll probably have to hold it all awkward, but where are they? I'm gonna pop in that's a fiber optic that doesn't have a fiber optic insert in it right now, but this is the red ramp. After taking it to the range at dusk, I'm gonna put this in due to the fact that I do leave this loaded as a house gun. So Ruger GP100, what are you guys' thoughts on them? You know, I have tons of videos on Smith & Wessons, but I love this gun. Now, this is a heck of a, glad I saw this at the very end. This is a big upgrade. I got these from Altamont. I don't really feel the checkering on the wood insert, but this checkering on the back strap and on the front strap makes a hell of a difference from the stock factory grips. Finger grooves never fit me, but this one just feels right all the way around. Thanks for watching. Wish I had more information on those Wolf springs, but you know, if I get kits of springs and then I change them and then I have a light primer strike and I use it as a house gun, I'll change it back and just mess with combinations. And usually these kits come with a couple different power weights, and I have to be honest, I don't even know what I have in there. That's a fault of mine. So anyway, thanks for watching.